Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Some Niger Deltans have endorsed the recent ban on open grazing of cattle by state governors in southern Nigeria. The endorsement is coming on the heels of President Muhammadu Buhari's criticism of the ban as politically motivated. Correspondent Takana Miofuri has the details.
In their May 11, 2021 meeting in Asaba, the Delta State capital, governors of 17 states comprising southern Nigeria arrived at 12 resolutions to address increasing challenges of national insecurity, political tension, and underdevelopment bedeviling the Nigerian states. As a demonstration of its determination to tackle Nigeria's multifaceted problems, the governors called on the federal government to restructure the Nigerian Federation and devolve more powers and responsibilities to states, while maintaining that Nigeria's federalism as it is operated is largely characterized by structural imbalances and inequities in the distribution of resources among states. The governors demanded a review of the current revenue allocation formula in favor of subnational governments. They also expressed concern over untold security challenges the country is currently facing on account of constant farmers and herders clashes and resolved to ban open grazing in their respective states.
The forum observed that the incursion of armed herders, criminals and bandits in the southern part of the country has presented a severe security challenge such that citizens are not able to live their normal lives, including pursuing various productive activities, leading to a threat to food supply and general security. Consequently, the meeting resolved that open grazing of cattle be banned across southern Nigeria.
Roughly 2 weeks after the Asaba Declaration came a reaction from President Muhammadu Buhari, who chided the southern governors for their ban on open grazing of cattle without providing solutions to the insecurity challenges attendant on clashes between farmers and nomadic herdsmen across the country. President Buhari, in a statement issued by his senior special assistant on media and publicity, Malam Garba Shehu, described the action of southern governors as a demonstration of power which violates citizens' constitutional right to live and do business in any part of the country. However, not a few observers in the Niger Delta disagree with Mr. President on open grazing of cattle.
Solution to this campaign, this conversation had been provided long ago in several fora. The issue is, where in the civilized world are they still carrying cattle all over the place? In cities and forests? Approach ranching. Use your money, buy land, and put your cows there and do your business.
I think the governors should go back to the various states and put those communiques they issued into the House of Assembly to make law.
Over the years, clashes between farmers and herdsmen have claimed hundreds of lives across Nigeria, a development that continues to worsen the fragile state of security in the country. It is against this backdrop that supporters of the southern governors insist that Nigerians, irrespective of their tribal, religious and political differences, must collectively fight insecurity, which has practically brought Africa's self-styled giant to its knees.
Daily, Nigeria loses people much more than the Civil War. So we have to get a national dialogue where we look at all the issues, we bring all the problems on the table, assess them, and see solutions for them.
In spite of the backlash greeting the Asaba Declaration, proponents of a restructured federation strongly believe that its resolutions, if allowed to see the light of day, will go a long way in addressing the challenges of national insecurity, political instability and economic stagnation which the country is currently battling to overcome.
Inside the Niger Delta,